Howdy, y'all. This is normally where I put a witty comment and an introduction, and I don't have anything witty today, so you're going to have to make up your own witty remark and insert it here. Okay, thanks. So today we got us some fixins for a stir fry, and my son and Bob here to supervise. Okay, it's going to be a shrimp stir fry today. So we got our shrimps, our frozen shrimps, and we'll toss you guys on here. Maybe a few more. That's not enough. Let's do a little bit more. Think it'll be enough? There we go. Okay, that should be enough. Now I have to go up and remind me very much. So, be right back. Okay, now, can you see it in the sun? Do I need to rotate things? It's hot out here. Hopefully you can hear me over the air conditioner. I love this on my shrimp or fish or any seafood. You can get some freeze-dried or whatever orange or some kind of citrus. That works awesome too. But let's I believe summer's finally here. Ain't it nice? Yes, it is. Maybe I can start breaking these up a little. There we go. That helps cook it a lot. Let go. No, let me go. Okay. We're bringing back up. La, la, la. So, you know what? It just occurred to me the veggies took just as long to cook as the shrimp or longer. I should ought to throw them on while I'm doing all this. Okay. Finish that, breaking that up for me. Let's throw on a little more. That. Okay. We're going with Trader Joe's Vegetable Melange. It's got a yummy seasoned butter sauce. You can use this and with fried rice. Any old kind of something. Oh, frozen vegetable. We just happen to enjoy this one. So, we're using this. And probably these guys here, spread that around a little. Okay, this is working better. Okay, still got to break up a little bit. It's frozen. That's the only problem with frozen. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Da, 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 da. So we're getting our cook oil. Getting our veggies going. I have this on medium, actually almost low. It's 2 notches above low. It's hot up here. We're high altitude. so even on the low setting, things cook fast. So that's why I have it on low, 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 low. Keep it on the down low. There we go. Is it time? Is it time? No, it's not time. It's almost time. Got a couple of shrimpies, not quite ready for prime time. Raja the Wonder Cat is here somewhere. But I think she may have gone to help our new neighbors move in. And no peacocks today. It's too hot up the hill here, I guess. So they're down doing peacock things in the shade. I'd love to have a canopy of some sort. But I don't, so we'll do without. I do have a one of those 10 by 10 something or others. Shrimp likes the butter off these veggies too, so they really go well together. What was I saying? A tent, a pop-up canopy that we use for camping. And yes, I could, in theory, stick it up when I'm cooking and recording. And I think it would fit without falling over the edge of the mountain. We got a steep hill behind us, and we're right up against it. And I could even turn around and put my griddle up against the building, and then the sun would be to my back in the evening. But then you wouldn't have this awesome view. And who wants to look at a building? I know the only reason you really watch is for the view. If you ain't heard me tell the story, I almost named Griddle Porn Griddle with a View. I didn't, but I thought about it. So, Maifun. I love Maifun noodles. And I found them on sale, so I bought a bunch. These things are awesome. That's my favorite. I go to an Asian restaurant, get me some Maifun. They're skinny little rice noodles. My lovely assistant wasn't necessarily a big fan when I first foisted Maifun upon her. The last time I did a stir fry, I used these, and she declared it was the best stir fry I'd done. So here we are. Now you can cook these up a couple different ways, but if you're stir frying, all you got to do is soak them in hot water for 8 minutes and then drain, and they're ready to go. So how about that, huh? No cooking, no pre-soaking. I hate the pre-soak. You don't you just soak. Anyway, although I guess you're soaking them before you're cooking, so technically could be a pre. It's also confusing. I'm not a lexicographer. In fact, if I had a dictionary, I'd look up lexicographer. But, uh-oh. Man down, I lost a shrimp. Oh, there's nothing back in there yet, so I think we can rescue him. Let's sneak around. My drain pan is fresh. I use a foil insert. I might try the fancy name brand Blackstone foil inserts when I run out, but I bought I don't know, 1,000 pack or something of some generic. It's a little bit smaller than the drain box, and they work just fine. La, 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 la. Okay, we're getting our cook on. Now, we'll throw a little bit of teriyaki sauce on. I don't always add it. I happen to got some. My main ingredient is hoisin. I like the hoisin when I cook my stir fry or my fried rice. Yeah, da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. And I'll give this a stir. Otherwise, it's not a stir fry if you don't stir, I guess. Well, let's see if I can slide around here, because you're standing in a weird spot. You're in my way. Da, da, da. Pick it up there. Yeah, getting that Blackstone char on these noodles is so yum. Wouldn't you agree? Sure you would. I know you would. Of course, the shrimp. The char is what makes the griddle. So, I wonder if I'm running out of gas. I hope not. Ooh, that one's hot. Let's try this little guy right here. Ooh, he's hot. Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. That's good, y'all. I could have cooked the rice just a little bit longer before I tossed in the shrimp, before I mixed in the Maifun noodles, but it's cooked. The only reason to cook it any longer, I don't want to overcook it, but I like that char. We all like that char. And see the shrimp's curled up. It's no longer see-through. It's got a nice color. You know it's done. So we're going to turn this off. Oh, you know what? Turn it off too soon. I forgot two important elements. Finishing sauce. Sesame oil is not a cooking sauce. In this case, it's a finishing sauce. Just dash on a little at the end to give it a little flavor. And one of my secret ingredients, besides the sesame oil finishing sauce. Saison. Can you see that? I don't know. Yes, it's Mexican, and yet it goes perfectly with Asian. We'll call it fusion. Fusion. So, now that we got our finishing sauce and our finishing spice, we'll give it another good stir here. And we're going to be good to go. And that really does the saison. Oh, stupid air conditioner. And I got to stir it a little better, but you get the point. No reason for me to sit through all that. I'll turn this off. And hold on. Looky there. Extreme close up. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. I think we got a good dinner on the way. Once I stir it up a little more. So, that's it. Stir fry, shrimp stir fry. We're all set. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing your helpful comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!